Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to edit, send WhatsApp messages. Okay, first things first is you want to open up your WhatsApp. From chats, open any conversation. Now, I would like to send one message. So, when the message is sent and I've noticed there's a mistake, you can edit your send messages. But you have to edit a text within 15 minutes after sending it. To edit a message, open the WhatsApp conversation in which you want to edit a message. Tap and hold the message you want to edit. Then tap again the three dots on the top right. Select the edit option from the menu, make the changes you want, and the text message edited appears. Tap OK. Your changes will be saved. And the edited message will be displayed in the conversation. When the WhatsApp message is edited, you will see the edited text next to the same time. The recipient also can see the message edited. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now send WhatsApp messages. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.